Hi, I'm Kevin, one of the horticulturalists here at the Greenery, and today I just want to mention briefly about the benefits of trees in our environment, particularly in light of all the climate change talk that's been happening of recent times. Trees are a fantastic addition to any part of our environment. I've got one example here. This is a North American tree called Cercis. The particular variety is Forest Pansy. They're a beautiful deciduous tree. They have the burgundy large leaves through the spring and summer months in Melbourne. And in autumn they have lovely autumn colours. The leaves change from oranges through subtle shades of red and into yellow. And then in the late winter months they have a spring, early spring blossom, which is congregates on the branches. So it's a very good tree for any season. Now, trees generally are good for providing us with oxygen, which we all need. They also provide shade, particularly larger trees. And if they're used correctly in the garden, they can help with keeping a house cool. Deciduous trees are very good at letting, say, winter sun in once they've lost their leaves, and then once the leaves come back through the summer, they shade the house from the hot summer sun. They also can help to keep the house cool and also provide shade for us if we're sitting outside in the garden, and very versatile type plants. So picking the right tree for the right situation is important so that you get the benefits from those trees as well. It's important to note with any tree planting in the garden, preparation goes a very long way to ensuring success with the tree in the future. Soils in Melbourne area are generally quite heavy clay soils, and it's important to make sure that the water can drain away from the root system of the plant after planting. Many a time you get problems with the soil being too wet or too heavy, and the roots can't cope with it, and trees are often lost in those sort of situations. Preparing the ground well prior to planting, well-drained soil, avoiding clay soils wherever possible, and making sure that the tree is going to be happy in the position that it's in. You need to pick the right tree for the right situation. Obviously trees come in all shapes and sizes. You don't necessarily need a very large tree for a smaller suburban garden for obvious reasons. The tree might be a bit overbearing, might have a fairly extensive root system. So the staff here at the Greenery will be able to help you with tree selection and making sure you're putting the right tree in the right place.